guys, I just doing an updated video of our land. I posted one a couple weeks ago when we were buying it and had a house to knock down, and it's down. We rented a machine, and my wife's uncle is I guess a licensed operator. I don't know, he's in the trade, so he did the work. We took down some trees over there, but this is the land now. There's no more house. And, we pulled down one tree today, big cedar tree. And we got a little bit more work to do, but for now, we are well on our way to building our dream log home. And this was where the old house sat. And it's fun to watch. I did have some short video clips of the house coming down. Not very good at video editing, so I'm not going to even attempt to add it in here, but if you look at my last video, you'll be able to see it. And here's a view from the other side of the lot. It's a nice big lot. It's 4 acres. What you're looking at, the cleared area, is about 1.5 acres, and then there's some more acreage along this tree line. It's a slope though, so we'll probably do a little bit more clearing and some grading when we dig the hole for the foundation. Maybe we'll use some of that dirt to grade some of it, but for the most part, the build site is almost ready. We can start building, and we're really excited about it. So anyways, this is just a video update of where we're at, and we'll post some more as we go along. Thanks for watching.